So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Hub and welcome to the interesting videos. So guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about the iNeuron data science, the course of the AI course provided by the iNeuron Intelligence. Like how good is the iNeuron Intelligence in providing the data science and affordable AI courses. So we are going to talk about this in today's video, and we will start with the introduction of the iNeuron, and I will take you to the tour of like how he used to deliver the courses and what are the courses which he used to provide. These are all things we are going to see in today's video. So let's start the videos. And before starting the videos, guys, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe it, and please share and like my videos. So let's get started. So guys, iNeuron Intelligence is a academy, or you can say that it's also a AI company which used to it's the academy which used to provide an affordable AI education, like the AI for everyone. Like this, it provides their courses are so affordable that you can take it very easily without hesitating, and after spending your money, trust me, you are not going to regret about this. You are not going to regret after taking these courses. These courses are excellent, good, and the instructors are also very amazing. So first, let me introduce the instructor Sudhanshu Kumar, which he is the CEO of this iNeuron, and he used to deliver these courses, class. He used to take classes by himself, and trust me, the way of his delivering the concepts, explaining the concepts, and providing the summary of each and every topic is amazing. He's an amazing instructor. The way of explaining the things are very good, are really good. So this is the iNeuron website. You can see that this is iNeuron website, and these are all the different courses which are provided by the iNeuron, like machine learning, data analysis, data science, computer vision, deep learning, neural network. All these courses are provided by the iNeuron courses. And then guys, the charges for these courses are just about 3,540. You can see that the charges which he used to take which he used to cost for this each and every courses is just 3,540 rupees, and it's very affordable. That's why people call it very affordable. Where lots of places, lots of the institution like places, online courses which you will see, they used to charge very hefty amount for that, like 25,000, 3,000, lakh, 50,000, etc., etc., and etc. But iNeuron used to charge just 3,540 rupees for these awesome courses, this amazing course. And again guys, these courses, the curriculum of the courses, the syllabus of the courses, the alignment of the contents are very amazing. The courses are aligned in a very amazing, in a very excellent way. I will take you to the tour of these courses, like how it is aligned. So for that, please do watch this video till the end. So this let me show you one more thing. The projects, you are going to work on the real world project in this courses. The projects are amazing. You will not feel like you are doing kind of very usually project. The projects are different and it's amazing. I'll show you. There are more than 30 projects. There are more than 30 projects included in this tutorial. And again guys, if you're working on this 30 project honestly, then nobody going to stop you to become a good data scientist, machine learning engineer, or an AI engineer. Just you need to be honest with yourself. If you are honest with yourself, then no one going to stop you to become a good data scientist. So let me open the machine learning part. So this is the machine learning guys, and there are more than 30 projects. I will show you the projects. What are the projects they are included in their curriculum. So here is the course curriculum, and this is the courses which I am going to cover. So they will start with the introduction, and they will cover the Python, all the topics of the Pythons, and then the different libraries of Python, like visualization libraries. So in the visualization, they are going to cover like visualization from Matplotlib, Seaborn, Cufflinks, and etc. These are some trending libraries, visualization libraries, which have been used by the industry. So they are going to cover these things in the visualization part, and after that NumPy, Pandas, exploratory data analysis, and again they will also cover the maths. Again guys, they trust me one thing, that the instructor used to explain the concept in a very excellent way. He delivered the topics, each and every topics in a very good way. So as the mathematics, he used to explain the mathematics behind each and every algorithm used. They will explain every concept, every topic, and every algorithm and every math behind that algorithm in a very good way. So these are the machine learning parts, and in the machine learning part there are some of the deep learning parts like basic of neural network will be covered. And again guys, please notice that they used to charge for machine learning and deep learning differently. Deep learning is not included in machine learning. They used to cost for machine learning 3,540 and for deep learning 5,540 rupees. So in deep learning they will cover deep learning, neural network, NLP, that is NLP and computer vision. So these are the things they are going to cover in the deep learning, that is advanced deep learning. They used to call it advanced deep learning, which covers CV, computer vision, NLP, deep learning, etc, etc. So these are the projects which we are going to do in your machine learning part, like chatbot projects. They also included the chatbot, time series project, machine learning project. So you can see that in the machine learning part there are different kinds of projects which are related to different industries. They are covering, I think they are covering almost all the industries, all the industry related projects like healthcare, finance, banking, fall detection, etc and etc. So these are the projects. There are more than 30 projects they used to claim, and also guys, there are more than 30 projects available in this machine learning course and also in the deep learning course, which you are going to do next. Trust me, these projects are really awesome and very good. And one more thing, how you can enroll for their courses. So if you want to enroll for their courses, the procedure of enrollment of the course is little bit different. Their classes are used to conduct live through Zoom link. So on every week, like on Saturday, Sunday, they used to take the classes, and every Saturday, Sunday, you used to receive a Zoom link for attending the classes. Their classes are live of 2 hours. So this is the procedure for conducting the classes, and they have also doubt clearing session on every Thursday. In my case, it is on every Thursday, which he used to take for the 2 hours, where you can clear your doubt. So there are different mentors which you will assign. They will also provide you the Zoom link for this doubt clearing session, where you can show your doubt, you can clear your doubt, you can communicate with them and clear your all doubts. So this is the procedure of clearing their doubts. And also they are providing the Skype support. So on this Skype you can ask your doubt. They are present on this Skype like from morning 9 to 12 a.m. So these are the time duration on which he is going to, you can ask for the Skype support. So this was all about the machine learning project, and this is the deep learning project which you are going to do. This is in the machine learning part, deep learning project which you are going to do. And for the separate deep learning batch, where they also include computer vision, NLP and AI kind of things, there are also more than 30 projects present which you can explore. And again guys, this was all about the classes. So let me take you to the tour of dashboard. So once you enroll for the course, so the enrollment of the course is very simple. They used to post on their YouTube channel, that is iNeuron YouTube channel, and also there is one more YouTube channel of Krish Naik. I am much sure that you have heard about it. So they also used to post on his YouTube channel about the batch which going to start on every month. They used to start on every month, every 1 month, or I think 2 months. So they used to post it on their YouTube channel and LinkedIn post. There you can apply for the courses. There you have to fill a form. After that, the team of iNeuron will contact you, and once and they will provide you a payment link through your email ID. And once you will done the payment, they will give you the access of a dashboard. Yes guys, once you made the payment, then before 2 to 3 days of starting the course, they will provide you the dashboard access. and the dashboard will look like something like this. So this is the dashboard you will get after making the payment. On this dashboard, every process will be present which you have enrolled for. So this is the if I will show you the ML section. So this is the ML section, and let me open this. So here you can see that all the alignment of the course, all the curriculum has been mentioned. They will also provide you the free ebooks, different kinds of some of the best ebooks you will get for the free. And also they will after the completion of the course, they are going to provide you the live resume support. Like they will help you to maintain your resume, your GitHub profile, and the interview preparation kind, like what kind of a scenario of your data science interview, what kind of question they are going to ask you. They will all these things will give you the live support for this, like live discussion for this. They have one-to-one discussion about this, and you can see that these are the process alignment. This is Python string. This is the Python section, and also in each of the topic you will get an assignment which you have to do. And one more important thing, guys, after completion of the course and after completion of all the assignment, they are also planning to provide you 1 month internship under the iNeuron. They will provide you 1 month internship under the iNeuron. There you have to work on their real kind of industry project, and after that you are good to go. They will provide you recommendation letter, certificate, etc., etc., etc. So this is the data analysis part. You can see that pandas, NumPy, and you can see that in the data visualization they are covering Matplotlib, Seaborn, Plotly, Cufflinks. So these are the libraries which they are going to cover in the Matplotlib part, and also they will cover the API kind of which is used to deploy your ML model. They will show you how you can deploy your ML model using REST API, and for the server they will cover the MongoDB database. They will cover the MongoDB database and also SQL database, SQLite. So here's the Python project. It's a web scraping project which you will do during this course, and this is the statistical concept. They include all the statistical, all the mathematics behind the machine learning algorithm and the machine learning part, which they will explain in this tutorial. So this is the EDA part, and here's the machine learning part. All the algorithms they are going to explain the math behind each and every algorithm. So guys, this is very excellent course. If you want to learn data science, machine learning, deep learning, then I will suggest you iNeuron because it charges less, that it's very affordable, and they provide great content and great projects and great support. Everything they will provide you. Because I am learning data science from this iNeuron, and I can tell you that it's very amazing and awesome. If you will take, you can explore by yourself. You will not regret it, trust me. So these are the projects of the machine learning they are going to teach you. So you can see that this is the sales demand forecast, back order, everything, all the projects. And after that, there is also a deployment section where they will tell you like how you can deploy your machine learning model on different cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and there is one more cloud platform that is Pivotal, and Google Cloud Platform, everything. And here is the description of your project explanation, like how you should explain your project in interview when you are giving the interview. Then how should you explain your project? They are going to discuss in this. Data science roles and responsibilities, data scientist workplace, companies hiring data scientists, resume discussion. So these all things they are going to in this tutorial. They will provide you a great support. The support provided by them is excellent, guys. Trust me, they provide a great support. They will help you to modify your career, to build your career. So this was all about iNeuron Academy, about which you are providing the data science course. These are very great, very awesome, excellent. Trust me, amazing. So okay, guys, if you are thinking about taking this course, then I will suggest you, then please go for it. They are putting an excellent effort in providing a affordable education. You should take it. if you want to learn data science or machine learning. So okay guys, this was all about today's video, where I have told you about the iNeuron. How is it? Is it good or bad? So I hope you already know that it's excellent. It's good to go for. So I will see you in the next video. This was all about today's video. And again, just before leaving the videos, if you are not subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe it and please share and like my videos.